Good morning, guys. It's been a while dito na Pita, and this is 20 Osmeña Circle, and that's BDO, newest building in Cebu, BDO headquarters in Cebu. And mana dirita Moagi, dali mga jeep. A chill Sunday morning drive. We going towards there is Osmeña Boulevard, and this is Jones Osmeña Boulevard, and that's Club Ultima, and that's the BRT. They say that they will open this BRT na this March. Wala akong hope lang na they can really start it and improve the system. Start and improve. Tweak, improve, gamito ni nato kaning mga facilities ba na eventually it will lead to something good, to improvement in our public transport system. So really upbeat man ta we are supportive. Traffic kuno daghan king mga tao ba na we always try to create fear. So actually mga blue taxis maka-traffic ko na ng 600 ka bo, it was negligible. It's negligible. Di ba? Ingana ba na fears, kuan lang. Dapat di mo kuan ba, di ta mangunay. We have to be solutions. We have to propose solutions. If you think there's a problem, di lang ta manghadlok. Diba? What's your kuan? Stop trolling. I mean, sa Pilipinas sometimes mag-resibo na mga trolling ba? No, we can't be trolling. So dapat di na dito muliko dito but yeah, should stop trolling. We can't be trolls. Hobby na nato na we love social media. We are keyboard warriors. I mean, ano man siya, himo man na siya linya, pero confusing pa bitaw ning line dire. Pero mga naman, let's not be like that, diba? We have to be open. Say na change, pero kung naikuan, we have to try our best to help, be productive, and become kanang kuan ba, more forward progress atong giapas. So in other news, by the way, gira-gira day sa the Middle East, di ba? Mas money news ron na the US and Israel attack Iran, and I guess na yung mga casualties na sa sa leadership sa Iran. But mauna, ang ato yung prayer is hope na kanang gira-gira nila or that attack will not linger, dili mo skatag, dili mo splinter into a spread out war, or kanang war na mo linger na maapektuhan tang tanan. Iran is one of the top oil producers. And kahit paano, even if with the rise of electric vehicles, you can see the majority still are powered by oil, diesel, gasoline. So dili kuan ba? Hello, Colon. So dili pagud na kuan ba? We still are dependent. Ganang mga pricing sa oil will have an effect sa atua, diba? Even especially sa atong transport sector, but also sa sa public, oil is still factored in prices of goods. Wala itong mag-ampo lang tala, hindi na magdugay, hindi na stabilize na. And of course, March is called the Fire Prevention Month also, so ingat lang kita sa atong mga especially sa mga kayo ba, sa mga amot nga ano pagsud sa summer mudaghan ang kayo. So manang atong kuanon lang mga tao na ayo di ta magduwa og kayo. Di ba kanang bantay lang kita. Kay init man sa lagi na uban di na unplug ang mga kuan, pang appliances. So makasabot ra kita na nanaana pero manawit awa na atong bantayan na di na nato kumpiyansahan.
Pedestrian crossing.
Di ba? So mao na atong kuan. And also we're celebrating National Women's Month. So hello sa mga kababaihan nato. Of course kung why kababaihan dili ta mo daghan. Di ba watay mga mama kung puro talaki magunsa na lang ta. Di ba? So pasalamat kita. And of course over the years, women are now holding important positions in our, in the government, in the corporate world. Who knows, di ba? Itong next president could be a woman, di ba? Naku na chance. So, kung ano na ron ba? Di na pala sa una na, di ba? Men. Laki lang ka ng puro grabe ka konservatibo. Laki yun ako na yung head sa family, head sa government. Sama na niya sa Iran, di ba? Laki mo na. But it's a good thing na naanay mga babae, opportunity sa mga babae ba na even there are women soldiers, women captains, women not only in sports even, di ba, professional sports. And in the corporate world, we see a lot of women CEOs who are better than men, gali. Diba? So, yeah, we honor them. And di lang nato ikaw ng mga leaders sa Simon, mga women's month, atong elevate lang or women who are like men na noon ba. But we have to elevate also the women who nagbantay silang anak. Diba? The ones who raised us. Women, most of our teachers are women. Growing up, di ba? Women in food service, ingon sa kuwanan, nanay mga babae. Mga nagkuhan, not only chefs but cooks, waitresses. So, kuwan ba? Mga akong point is, normally we honor the achievers man ba? Sometimes we have to balance it. Not everyone can be achievers, not everyone can be president, not everyone can be the leaders, but nevertheless the roles are as important. Diba? Tayo mga teacher na to, diba? Why teacher? O why mga babae niya na may tighimog bananakyo, diba? Para nato di na big deal ko na, pero big deal na kung huna-hunaon mo wawa ni mga these women who work tirelessly also, who work for their families, who work for to serve us, to give us good food and so that's a tikwan a good life. You're raised, I'm pretty sure na yung babae in your life na has been instrumental in shaping you and molding you and making you who you are right now. Okay, usahay ron na issue naman kaya na trans women are women. Kana ba? Pero in the end, para na ako sa okay, ako na lang i-leave ang debate sa inyo, but ako sa ikuan na let's honor our mothers or the women lagi. So if you think you're a woman also, even if you're a man, sige. Nun ba? Let's celebrate it also. Normally na ako gingon ba na ako gingon, this is for the women sa una magunda. If you're born a woman, karon naghan magman naganahan mahimong woman lagi, pero sa una when you're born a woman, some people think you're inferior. Sa uban sa China sa ilang one child policy, is na ganahan babae ilang anak. O di ba, ganun sila lucky. Mga negosyante, kanang insect, wala sila lucky, di ba na? Mga kanang, labi na, lucky na anak mo, nang musaw sa pangalan sa ilang papa kay mo, liyang. Unfortunately, sa atong world, because, I think even naming, imong last name is carried by the man, not by the woman. The woman can change their last names. Di ba? Kanang yana ba? Hindi na lalim sad ba na ikaw, ilisa ni mong last name. Di ba? Although in some other cultures again, they can change their names anytime. Pero ang point na ko na is, ba, sa una, being born na sa woman is a disadvantage. Sa ibang lugar, di ba, di kabuto, di kakuan, their jobs limited to them. Or even sa atua tingali, even sa una, di ba, most of our heroes are men. Di ba? Ay, mga babae, pero pipila na ba? So parang Gabriela Silang, asawa na ni Diego. Nasaan si Diego gapon? Na mga Tandang Sura, mga Melchora Aquino. Pero there are people na mo like that. You have to think about that. Na kaning Women's Month man, a lot of us, there must be a woman na nag-shape ni mo into the person that who you are, diba? Or nag-lead sa imong success. Diba? Tingnan mo, behind every man is a woman kuno sa success. Pero in a way that's correct, diba? Somewhere. So wala, happy March ba na lang. So it's a new month and thank you so much for watching, guys. Bye.